specific about the jargons. That's the key point to whether you're working and you have learned in Salesforce. So be specific that you know, but still, if you follow the jargons, that add more value to it. Okay, you see the green color theme is there, and the tabs, and is your custom app. And as a creation of app, we have seen like what is standard and console. Standard will be like how it is. Console will be in single page. So if you open any of the records, let's say we have some sample data. So I have opened the contact here. Okay, and I see here. Sorry, I have opened an account here, and if I want to go to this contact, so what's happening? I no longer see the account. I see only the contact. So, but the thing was, I want to see both the data at a time. So how can I do that? So that is a console view. If I go to a sales console, um, have accounts. Okay. So if you see, I see all accounts here. So this first, second, I have all accounts, and the account has opened here. And now here in the right side, you can see the contact. Okay, I want to open the contact also. See, I have contact and I have account as well. So I was able to see side by side what are the both. So these are all like anyway we can control all this UI, whichever you like, which is makes more sense to you. So usually console is a fast pace used users. Like we had to open multiple records at a time, and you want to go through the more insights. You need to drill down, and you have to have visibility of a top level information. So, so how, if you want to looking at the related list, drilling down, and you want to have a view in a single tab, you don't want to switch between the tabs, then the console view is the faster use. And like this. So this account and this account. Still you are on the same tab, but you have a tabs inside a browser tab. So you're not creating much tabs, and your performance will not go down of your browser. Still, you can access multiple records in a same screen. Okay, that's all like what we covered yesterday. If something I missed and marked as completed, just trying to cover now. Okay, done. So are we good these topics? Yesterday what we covered are we all good there? So 15 minutes gone. Now profile enhanced view. So yesterday when we are trying to looking at the profile, I am saying that there will be a one more profile view. So how to go to profiles? You have to go to setup and search for profile. So the navigation would be users and then profiles. In profiles, when you open any existing profile, you have to look or you have to search on your own. There's no option to search. So there's so many things, right? It's not only a single thing. So when this is like a we don't have anything done. This is all standard things. When you have built your own apps, your own pages, something, then it will go on increasing like anything. Then you will have like more lists. Okay, then how can I have something kind of a search? So to enable the search, I have to, so even I can do here. So I want to show the difference. That's why I'm opening again. I have to go to setup, and there you will have a thing called a user management. User management settings. And here you will be having a profile enhanced view, enhanced profile user interface. So if you turn on this, then you will be enhanced profile user interface. Then you will be having that new enhanced view of the profiles. See, we have a search button now, and so it is grouped under different sections. So if you look at here, it's grouped, and at the same point, you can see the options as well here. So again, you have to click here, and again, it will take you to the layout. So, but here, so it will be grouped together. And what are the titles you say there? Everything will be grouped and enhanced as a links here. All the permissions and settings, and even you can search here. Let's say I created one field on account, and I'm looking for that account. I can directly search with that field name, or at least the account name, so that it will directly take me to directly the account object settings. So it's the account object settings. So what's the tab permission, what are record types, what are the permissions to the object, and what are the field permissions, all related to the account I have in a one place. Okay, and still if you have more, and if you want to search here, even you can do that. You can do a search, and you can find out what you're having. Okay, and so this search is not only limited to this page. This search will be across all your profile. So if you are trying to see now a different one, a contact, so you can go to that contact, so it will directly jump from this page to that page. So I think there is no option to search inside this page, but you can search across the profile. This search is always on the profile, not on this page. Okay, done. Similarly, you can search other things, and you can navigate further. Okay, now
So,
done with the okay.
Pana, quick question. Sorry. What was the name of the setting you used for enhancing the profile view?
User
User.
management,
Okay, user management.
user management settings, and there will be a toggle for enhanced profile user interface. Okay, so you have to be so tomorrow if I'm asking the question like how to enable, you have to be specific about this thing. User management settings, enhanced profile user interface. That's what you have to remember. Okay. Any questions here? Okay, we're done with the enhanced view. Now, permission set. Okay, what is a permission set? So we know what is a profile does. Profile is a bundle or a set of permissions that we can assign to a user. And it is not only for a single user, you can use a profile for a group of users. That is, it's not for a single person. That means for a single user, you have to use a profile, but same profile you can use for 100 users also. That means when you make change to a profile, then it will impact, or the same permissions will be given to 100 users. So you're not doing 100 times. If you do one time, it will be reflected to the 100 users. That's the advantage. But there's again same disadvantage. So if you don't want to give permissions to the 100 users, you want to give permissions to only 10 or 5 users, and remaining 95 users, you don't want to give any extra permission. So you have some different thing, but you cannot create a one more profile and move to the 5 users to that profile. That may not be a right solution. Why? Because like whenever your requirement came in and you keep on creating a profiles, you don't, you're really utilizing a profile. So again, how it will become is this 100 users are using the same profile become 100 profiles at